Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2018 Chevy Colorado. Now this specific Colorado is a crew cab, long box, four-wheel drive LT model. And for the month of April, Apple Chevrolet is offering all of its customers the option between 18% off or 0% financing for 72 months with an additional $1,500. Now this vehicle does come with a 2.8 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine and comes custom with your 17 by 8 inch wheels and back tinted windows. Now when we take a look inside the vehicle, you can see that we do have our jet black cloth seating and also our all-weather mats. It does come equipped with heated seating on both sides, a Chevy MyLink radio, and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.